Data Content Manager transforms data quality into a systematic process and automates a large part of it. It engages your stakeholders to do their part and gives leadership the tools to review and direct progress. Getting started is simple. Create a blueprint and tweak it as you see fit. A blueprint captures the requirements for your data, usually tied to a specific use case. With pre-made templates that are already CSDM compliant, you can get a very quick start, and you can have multiple blueprints for different purposes. Once you schedule audits, your data is automatically checked against the blueprint. You will receive detailed insights on data gaps. No scripting or customizations are required. Each data provider gets a personal data quality workspace. It's tailored to them so they can focus on their data gaps and improve their own data quality KPIs. DCM gives you detailed dashboards that let you track progress and drill down to the individual level. This makes it easy to guide activities and have fact-based discussions. Leadership can steer decisions with confidence. By automating auditing, engagement, and reporting, Data Content Manager frees your time to focus on the bigger picture and helps you catch mistakes before they cause problems. If data quality is a priority, you're in the right place. Data Content Manager can significantly improve your data in ServiceNow. Schedule a demo and see how.